Welcome to our YouTube channel MedBasic21. You can subscribe, like and share. MedBasic21.
Components of bacteria. A. Essential components of bacteria, and B. Accessory components of bacteria. Essential components of bacteria are cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm and cytoplasmic membrane.
Accessory components of bacteria: capsule, flagella, fimbria and spore. Essential components of bacteria. 1. Cell wall. It is common for all bacteria, but in some cases it is not well established. Those are known as atypical bacteria, like Chlamydia pneumoniae, Mycoplasma pneumoniae. The Mycoplasmas are the only bacteria that naturally lack a cell wall. Properties of cell wall: it is thick, strong, rigid and porous structure lying immediately outside the cell membrane.
Function of cell wall. 1. Gives shape and maintains the integrity of bacteria. 2. Protects from differences in the internal and external osmotic pressure.
Nucleus. The nucleus contains the genetic material, in the form of multiple linear DNA molecules organized into structures called chromosomes. Genes are present in chromosome. Function of nucleus. Contains genetic code, inherited characteristics, and maintains the integrity of these genes. It controls activities of the cell by regulating gene expression. Controls reproduction. Controls metabolism.
Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is granular in appearance. 3 types of food granules are present: fat, sulfur, carbohydrate, ribosome, 30S, 50S, 70S, also present in granular form. Function of cytoplasm: filling of cell sap, suspension medium, site of most metabolic processes.
Cytoplasmic membrane or bacterial cell membrane, the innermost layers of cell. Properties: thin, flexible and semi-permeable, selectively permeable membrane. Composition: phospholipids and proteins. Bilayer of phospholipids forms cell membrane. Functions of cytoplasmic membrane: acts as osmotic barrier. It regulates the transport of materials across the cell. Protects the cytoplasm. Site of some metabolic reactions, production of energy.
Movement across the cell membrane. 1. Passive transport, like osmosis, diffusion, facilitated diffusion. 2. Active transport.
What are the essential components of bacteria? Cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, cytoplasmic membrane. Which of the following is an accessory component of bacteria? Capsule, ribosome, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum.
What is the function of the capsule in bacteria? Movement, protection, photosynthesis, reproduction.
Where are flagella found in bacteria? Inside the nucleus. In the cytoplasm. Protruding through the cell wall. Attached to the ribosomes.
What is the function of fimbria in bacteria? Answer: adhesion.
What is the resting state of a bacterial cell highly resistant to environmental conditions? Answer: spore.
What is the composition of the cell wall in gram-negative bacteria? Answer: peptidoglycan.
Which structure is found in the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria? Answer: lipopolysaccharide.
What is the function of the outer membrane in gram-negative bacteria? Answer: protection.
What is the composition of the cell wall in gram-positive bacteria? Answer: peptidoglycan.
Which molecules are closely associated with the layers of peptidoglycan in gram-positive bacteria? Answer: teichoic acid.
What is the structure of peptidoglycan in bacteria? Answer: interlocking chains of monomers.
What is the function of the cell wall in bacteria? Answer: protection. What is the thickness of the peptidoglycan layer in gram-positive bacteria? Answer: 20 to 80 nanometers.
What is the thickness of the peptidoglycan layer in gram-negative bacteria? Answer: 7 to 10 nanometers.
What is the function of spore in bacteria? Answer: survival.
What is the function of fimbria or pili in bacteria? Answer: adhesion.
What is the function of sex pili in bacteria? Answer: genetic transfer.
Which type of pili are present in some gram-negative bacteria? Answer: attachment pili.
What is the function of the flagella in bacteria? Answer: movement. Which amino sugars are part of a peptidoglycan monomer? Answer: N-acetylglucosamine and N-acetylmuramic acid.
Thanks for watching. You can subscribe us.